seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Open your eye. I can hardly contain this energy, Bruce. I don't know how you do it.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
What am I? Invisible?
Good medicine.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. We captured the mission area!
The doctor is in.
Marked by the Phoenix! Vortex field!
Right on target!
Good medicine.
Punisher made himself turret! Just who Gambit was looking for.
Someone willing to help? I got hit like hard!
Mortal
Their team's
pain
capture
is no
progress
match
has
for the
passed the halfway
Sorcerer's
point.
Supreme. I am strengthened for battle. You are under my protection.
You still got it!
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
Life and death!
They've almost got it!
Got me good!
Little help, please!
Magneto!
Medicine.
Maximum!
Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
Iron Squirrel! 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
The power you unleash from your eyes, does it ever run out?
Not in my experience. Some say it's channeled from a dimension of pure concussive force.
Ah, the so-called punch dimension. America Chavez told me of it once. I've been meaning to
The battle
study-
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I hope this is important. Reed and I had a date night planned. Tippy Joe says we're ready to go.
Got my eye on.
I am strengthened for battle.
I am Phoenix! Us against the world! My friends are here! Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
By the arm!
Everybody needs a hand. Oblivion Call!
By the arm! Focus.
Double back.
I am straight.
Now I see them.
A thousand gods!
That's 3! Wow, 4 in a row!
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Fire and dusted. What am I?
Judge, jury, executioner!
Taste cold steel. As good as new. Next up. I have unfinished business here.
They've almost got it!
Marked by the Phoenix. Let's heat it up.
Lucky draw.
Nice weapon, Frank. I look forward to blasting it to pieces.
Kill them.
Good medicine.
Nowhere yet. Going to overtime!
Maximum pulse!
Well, you can't expect to win them all. Round 1, go!
Open your eyes. Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I've met many Supremes before, Strange. What makes you so special?
Because I'm a doctor, I pull people from your grip for a living. Also, I charge a lot.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good medicine. Sorcerer Supreme returns.
They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Good medicine. We must find that sniper. Our enemies are near.
There's still a chance to stop them! As soon as you see them.
From the one below all. Someone has the moon haunts you! At least you are finally free. For mutant kind! Welcome to the Dark Fortress. Good medicine.
He's stopping in their tracks!
Damn it, never fall! Your sacrifice power from the one below all.
Nice hurt!
You know that, sir. Danny got your back. You was out of your league. Mortal pain
They
is
hit a
no
checkpoint.
match for the
Now
Sorcerer
might be a good time to stop them.
Optic Fury!
Better stop that vehicle!
Phoenix bullets.
Perfect precision.
Strengthened for battle.
They've made it halfway! Stop them! Tick, tick, boom!
I have become overrated.
You proved yourself, child. I hate
Science and magic combined.
Us against the world! Chance to stop them!
By the eye of Agamotto!
You're strangers!
They hit real hard. By the shades of
They
the
hit a
Seraphim,
checkpoint!
I
Now
return.
might be a good time to stop them.
Propulsion beam!
Better stop that vehicle! Help! So cold!
The hoary hosts of Oak. Good medicine.
Some assistance, please.
An opportunity for combat.
I set it up, but you did the hard part.
Follow this enemy.
See there? The sniper. The moon haunts you!
It's now or never! Stop them!
Magneto! Damn it, never fall!
Better stop that vehicle! Don't give them another inch! Or else.
This time
Got
I
my
need
eye on
healing.
someone welcome guest.
Good medicine.
perfect precision.
Us against the world!
want to protect your roots.
Don't worry about the unk anymore.
I am strengthened for battle.
Make it! Veil of corruption!
He's stopped them in their tracks.
Some assistance, please.
Our enemies are near.
So cold.
We must fight a sniper. These arms are dangerous. Good medicine. By the eye of Agamotto!
Only 60 seconds left. Double kill.
The moon haunts you! Born again!
Damage sustained.
Science and magic combined!
Ruin won't please me.
Second chance is over.
Enemy in front of us!
See the adversary.
Down to 30 seconds.
Perfect precision.
Gambit never falls!
Magneto!
The final 10 seconds.
That feels better.
No winner yet. Going to overtime. Us against the world. That vehicle.
Science and magic combined!
Call me home base. Double KO. The current score is 0-2. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2.
Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
Go. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
You have died countless times. I can feel it.
You're not wrong. The X-Men found a workaround to keep our people from going extinct.
There is a natural order of things. Immortality is meant for gods. Not.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enemy in front of you. Good
Please
medicine.
assistance! Glad that our powers are related. Uncle, here!
survive much longer.
The king of the seas has called forth his
Let us
own
hope this
army.
core undoes Ultron's efforts.
I got hit! Like,
I am strengthened for battle.
aunts symbolize life. Therefore, I can score them.
Enemy in front of us. These mechanical arachnids are no more. Good riddance to bad practice. By the hoary hosts of Hulk.
It's party time! Ouch, that
The tide just came in, and Nick... Knew I saw trouble.
The moon haunts you! Good medicine.
Those were your
Ultron's
best.
influence over this land must be broken.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Second chance is over.
I seem to be unprotected.
What's this? Ouch, that hurt!
That Khonshu building for
Good
repair.
medicine.
Everybody needs a hand
Ultron's
sometimes.
influence over
Or
this
a
land
dagger.
must be broken.
I need eyes over here.
You're halfway there. Keep going. Time for a blow-up. Supply you.
By the eye of Agamotto! The one below all!
As a worthy sorcerer after
I am strengthened for battle.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
The tide just came in, and Namor's army came with it.
Arakko needs a hard reboot, and it's up to us to perform it.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Let Moon Knight protect his aunts if he dares.
Ouch, that hurts.
Got my eye on some unwelcome guests.
Your light is a beacon of hope.
Never fall! By the hoary hosts of Hulk!
Yo, turn around! Don't worry, Dagger. Aunts symbolize life. Therefore, I can score.
The moon haunts you! The mystic arts won't fail me again.
for my crows!
Get that vehicle moving again.
What have you summoned now? Good medicine.
Arakko falls. We can't let that happen.
Ultron's influence over this land must be broken.
This time I need you.
Get ready. Here come the guns.
Got hit! Like, hard!
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
A new threat rises from beneath the waves.
Big chance.
medicine. Ultron's influence over this land must be broken.
Control!
Enemy in front of us.
Healing.
I got hit!
By the eye of Agamotto!
So much for me.
Get that vehicle moving again!
I have unfinished business here.
Don't stop now.
The hunt begins. I'm hit! Cover me!
The Onk's curse has been abated.
Here is the people we must protect.
Good medicine.
Gambit never fall!
Power from the one below all.
Only 60 seconds left!
Vile creatures risen from the realm below. By the holy hosts of home.
We have a plan.
Assemble!
Science and magic combined. Good medicine.
Down to 30 seconds!
Greetings, my friends!
The moon haunts you. The mystic arts won't fail me again.
No winner yet! Going to overtime!
I'm opening a portal. Pentagram of Parala.